I hear God saying something big is gonna happen. I hear him whisper, just keep your eyes on me. He's getting ready to open doors no man can shut. He's getting ready to tear down every wall that's been holding you up. So don't lose faith, now don't turn away. Keep your heart steady in the place you pray, because what he promised is on its way, and the blessing's closer than it's ever been today. Something big is gonna happen in your life. God is getting ready to turn it all around. Something good is gonna make it right. Chains will break and favor will abound. So lift your head, lift your eyes. He's moving right before you.
Inmax ang dala. Inwaw. Inmax, inwaw mo na. Ito, luto ilang pizza dyan, no? Bila sa ilang pizza, Pin? Ha? 195. Birthday sa kong pagumangko. Shout out bisa kong shout out ya. Wala kayo shout out. Wala. Yo, tiga sa YouTube ba. Mikalim, gaasa na siya. Nang okay para ka dahil sa mga followers ko. Kita biya ka sa kwan kanan YouTube. Kita ka sa YouTube. Lakang kita sa YouTube. Pero sa mga bayo RS Mundugan. Oh. Ito mga bayo taas sa ito. Dapat diri mag-bike si kuya mo. Chanel. Wala pa ka to si kuya Chanel mo diri no?